everyone, welcome back to another exciting video just for you. Imagine this, you are at the airport or in a mall, rushing to get somewhere and you need to book a ride immediately. But there's a catch, you are new to the area and don't know how things work there. So what do you do in that situation? Well, we have a solution, the Jugnu Ride Booking Kiosk. This device allows you to effortlessly book a ride with just a quick scan. And to know more about this kiosk, we have invited the CSM head of Jugnu, Ms. Sarvjot Kaur. So let's hear it all from the expert. So, hey Sarvjot, how are you?
Hi Shane, I'm good. How are you?
I'm also good. So thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you so much for having me here, Shane. It's an opportunity that you have called me here for this session today.
So what's happening? What's happening in your life?
Life is going cool, working with Jugnu, making new things.
Yeah.
Everything is fine.
So let's start with what's happening at Jugnu. Are there any latest developments that are happening at the company?
Certainly, Sheen, at Jugnu, we keep on doing new things, making new, features, customizing our old features, which can enhance the services of our, customers. So, with the introduction of new features, now we have launched a new product that is the kiosk right now.
Yeah, one of the exciting things that we want to discuss about is like this ride booking kiosk. So for the people who may not be familiar with this kiosk, what this looks like and everything, explain like what is it? What is a
Sure.
ride booking kiosk?
So basically, a kiosk is a self-service station. It allows users to access services without the need of direct interaction with the application. Like if a kiosk is placed over an airport, you don't have an application readily to book a cab. So you can use the kiosk, you can enter your number there and just get the cab available for yourself. So it's basically a more convenient and a more quickly responding thing that we have introduced right now.
Okay, so what does this kiosk look like? I'm like very excited for this.
So you've never seen a kiosk functioning?
No, actually.
Okay, so you want to have a demo? I can arrange it for you right now.
Really? Like now?
Right now.
Right now?
Yeah, come on, let's go. Let's have a demo.
Okay, guys. So let's see what this kiosk look like. Okay? Yeah,
Let's go. So Sheen, you were wondering what a kiosk is. So come here. This is the kiosk.
Oh, so this is the kiosk. So, Sarvjot, if I have to book a ride on this kiosk, how would I do that?
Let me show you. So Sheen, now I'll give you a demo of how to book a ride. So first of all, you have to choose a destination. You can add the destination manually or you can drag it from the app. Now you have to confirm the ride. You have to enter your number followed by an OTP. Now you'll get an option how to make the payment. So you can choose a card option or you can avail the cash option as well. So now your driver will confirm the ride. Here we go, the ride is booked. So Sheen, now as you have seen the kiosk, so now I want to understand how was your experience of booking the ride through the kiosk?
So yeah, actually it was a great experience. I didn't even know like what a kiosk looks like in the first place. So I think it was really easy to use, guys. Really, really easy. And so amazing job done, guys. Very, very amazing.
Right.
So yeah. So my next question to you would be like, what sets this Jugnu ride booking kiosk apart from the other solutions that are in the market?
So basically, Sheen, Jugnu kiosks are built with some different features. Like we have multilingual support out here. We have ride tracking integrated. You can easily access your way to the home or whatever place you want to go. So it provides a very good tracking system over the kiosk. And moreover, these are very highly intuitive devices which ensure proper real-time support and things for the customers.
Okay, so who are the primary users for this Jugnu kiosk?
Anybody, I mean anyone across the globe can use a Jugnu kiosk. You just need to have, you know, the hardware built system available and the network connectivity to start a kiosk, and then any customer who comes up, they can book a ride without, you know, any, even they don't need an application or any phone for using a kiosk. So it is that simple.
So are there like any specific locations where, you know, this kiosk is very popular?
So the purpose of building a kiosk is, as I told you, that it, you know, replaces an application. Like if I am a customer who is coming from abroad, we are landing over the airport, but I don't have an access to any travel aggregator, I don't have any apps. So what is the best solution for me? I'll go to the airport, I'll find out a kiosk there, I'll book a ride over the kiosk, and there I go. The cab will be there outside and I'm good to go.
Yeah, that's really amazing.
So you can use it over
Yeah.
the airports, malls, railway stations, or maybe any place which is a crowded area wherein
Yeah.
the customers can have a good access to this feature.
So what kind of feedback did you get from the users so far? What are the experiences?
So you are my first customer right now.
Okay.
The closest one who just had a demo with me.
Yeah.
So you tell me, how was your experience, Sheen?
Yeah, well, I told everyone that it was really easy to use, and really, you know, I didn't find any difficulty in using the kiosk for the first time.
Right.
So I think it will be really easy for you guys also. You just try it whenever you see a kiosk and just go and book a ride over there, guys. So yeah, it was really nice.
So yeah, so similar is the experience of our users, because you know they get more rides with the use of the kiosk, because this is something, if a customer is not having an application, they can use your kiosk. Plus our, you know, companies, the customers, the clients, they can get a brand equity with the use of kiosk. Like if placed a kiosk over an airport, it reflects your brand there. So that is the most important part. So it is a merge and a blend of, you know, branding plus user-friendly equipment that can be used.
Yeah. So what are the future plans for the kiosk? Are there any new features that we are going to add or something?
Oh yes, definitely, Sheen. With the, you know, change and the upcoming technology, we are trying to integrate more features, more AI-powered assistance to the kiosk, which can give a, you know, step-by-step information to the customers how they can move ahead with that. So I'm sure with the upgradation of technology, we'll be moving ahead with more customizations in this.
Thank you so much for your time and insights. And do you like to add anything else for Jugnu or the ride booking kiosk?
Well, as I've told you, that we are always ready to make the things more accessible for our customers. We want to make our transportation system to the next level so that it can be more user friendly and all our clients can get the benefits out of it. So that's all from my side. Thank you, Sheen, so much for calling me here.
Yeah, thank you so much. So we are really excited to see how this kiosk evolves and, you know, enhances the customer experience.
Definitely.
So thank you so much. I think that wraps up the interview. Thank you everyone who is listening and watching. Thank you so much, and stay tuned for, you know, more expert interviews. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. So bye bye guys.
Bye.